How to solve a Rubik's Cube. So the first step is to make the daisy, which will look like this. So hold your cube with the yellow center on top, and look for edges with the color white in them. So to get it up we just turn it like this. Now if it was on the bottom, just turn it like that 2 times. Now if you have an already solved edge on top, you can't put another edge in its place, or it will be ruined. So just make place for it, and get it up. Now if your edge is flipped, just put it here, make place for it, then get it up. Keep doing it until you finish the daisy. So the next step is to finish the white cross. There should be a white cross like this, and all of its edges matching like this. So hold your cube like this, and move the 2 bottom layers until the edge facing you is matching with the center facing. Like this. Then turn it 2 times like that, so it becomes on the bottom. Keep doing that until the white cross is done. So the next step is solving the corners around the white cross, so that the first layer is solved. To do that, find a corner in the top layer that has white in it. Now check the other 2 colors. For example, here we have orange and green. Now check the colors of the centers it's between. Here we have blue and red. We need it to have orange and green, so we turn the 2 bottom layers. Keep doing that until the colors match with the corner. Alright, so here we have it. Then do this sequence of moves. 1, 2, 3, 4. This sequence is called the sexy move. Don't ask me, I'm not the one who named it, so keep doing it until the corner is solved. Do that with all the corners. Now there's a case where you can't find any corners on the top layer. That means it's in the bottom layer. Just put the corner on your right and do the sexy move. Then continue normally. Now the next step is to solve the edges in the middle layer. So first find an edge in the top layer that doesn't have yellow in it, then look at the color facing you. Here we have red. So just turn the cube like this until it's matching with the center. Then look at the color on top. Here we have blue. Check your left and right and see where that color is. Here I have it on the left. So if it's on the left, I move the top layer to the right. Then do the sexy move mirrored. And since our color is on the left, rotate your cube to the left. Then do the sexy move with your right hand. Here's another example. So we matched the colors here. The color on top is green, so it's on the right. So I move the top layer to the left. Then do the sexy move with your right hand, since green is on the right, then rotate to the right, and do it with your left hand. Now sometimes you won't find any edges on top, that is because the edges are in the middle layer, but not in their place. Or they might be flipped, so put that edge on your right, do right hand sexy move, move to the right, do left hand sexy move. So next step is to make the yellow cross. It should look like this. So there are 3 cases. If you have an L shape, turn the top layer until it looks like this. Then turn these 2 layers like this, and do a right hand sexy move. Now the second case is when you have a line. Make sure the line is facing you horizontally, not vertically, then turn the facing layer like this, and do a right hand sexy move. So the third case is when you have a dot. Just face it from any side and turn the facing layer like this, do right hand sexy move, then you will get an L shape, so just continue normally. Now we need to solve the edges so that all of them are matching. So first check how many edges are solved. Keep turning the top layer until you get the most amount of solved edges you can. They can either be 0, 4, or 2. If they are 4, just skip to the next step. So if you have 2 edges solved and are next to each other like this, put one in the back and one on the right, just like this. Then do this sequence of moves. So if they were across from each other, do the same sequence of moves from any side, then they will become next to each other, and continue normally. If they are 0, just do the sequence from any side, and they will become 2 next to each other, and continue normally. So now we need to put the corners in place, so that they just need twisting to be solved. For example, this is a corner in place. So check all the corners, and don't turn the top layer to not ruin the edges. You will either have 0, 1, or 4. So if you have 1 solved, put it on your right, and do this sequence of moves. It might get solved, or you might need to do it again. If you had 0, just do the sequence from any side and they will become 1, and then continue normally. Now for the last step. Turn your cube upside down, and make sure an unsolved corner is on your right bottom. Then keep doing the right hand sexy move until it's solved. And don't ever rotate your cube, or it will have to start all over again. So just turn the bottom layer like this, and continue, until your cube is solved.